The COVID-19 pandemic has increased the strain on those with food insecurity. The Martin Luther King Jr. Family Center in Springfield is doing its best to give families access to the food they need. It's also testing a new program to bring food to those most vulnerable to the coronavirus. Connecting Point's Ross Lippman reports.
At the Martin Luther King Jr. Community Center in Springfield, Thursdays are a chance for food insecure residents and their families in Hampden County to get essential items. During the COVID-19 pandemic, this need and the problems surrounding access to food are amplified.
When you layer on top of those circumstances the issue of a pandemic and having reduced resources because now the children are at home 7 days a week and not in school for 5 days of those, it really compounds the issue of food insecurity for people.
Grocery stores who were, donate a lot of products, they're having problems themselves. So it's been a struggle, but our goal is to make sure that everybody that comes to the Martin Luther King Family Services Pantry goes out with something.
Underneath the masks of the over 500 members stopping by each week, President and CEO Ron Johnson says one population is noticeably absent.
That elder person who we missed for the past 2-3 weeks, we haven't seen her. She's staying in because she's been told she needs to stay in the house. And she's over a certain age, so she knows she's in that group that could potentially be at risk. So we reached out to that population of folks and we're initiating a home delivery service.
The delivery service, thanks in part to a van being donated from Bay State,
hello, hi, hello,
is in its second week.
With Martin Luther King?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Here you go. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Bye now.
Piloted by Michael Akers and Leon Moultrie.
Good morning.
From 11 to 2, the pair navigate their way from Longmeadow to Holyoke.
It's a ground turkey.
Delivering food to elderly members
Head southwest toward Riverview Avenue.
choosing to stay home for their safety.
They were making the choice between being food secure or being food insecure, and they decided to be food insecure and stay safe. So we thought that should not be a choice that people need to make.
Hello, sir. How are you? There you go.
The program was a concept the MLK Center
Have a good day.
conceived prior to the pandemic. But once the need became clear,
Hello.
they acted fast.
But we were up and running within, 12 hours? Yeah, and today we're doing probably 3 times as many as we did last week.
Bye now. Have a good day.
Yeah, so we're probably doing around 40 today.
I think that we live in an environment here in Western Massachusetts where people are very generous. So the support that we've gotten from the Food Bank of Western Massachusetts,
Food delivery? What are his fine? Yeah. Okay.
combined with
Thank you.
the support that we get from the Community Foundation of Western Massachusetts, has been significant to us, allowing us to be able to go deeper and broader.
Going
See
deeper
ya.
at a time where the coronavirus is further illustrating the divides that exist when it comes to wealth inequality and food insecurity.
Hello.
The volunteers at the MLK Center doing their best to bridge that divide,
Bye now.
one box of food at a time.
It really allows us to be able to move in a deeper way to the commitment that was made to this community, the commitment that was made by the founders of this organization, and the legacy of Dr. King.
Thank you. Have a good day.
We want to make sure that there is more of a level field. And we know we have many disparities, but food should not be one of those.